hopefully at least a couple of 100 bags of wood chips on the farm. Jose, which is a worker that has been working with me from the first day, he works normally at Tamana, but I hire him once a week to do the spraying, which he likes because we pay an okay price for it, and you know, it's a relaxing work for him. He just he hurt his leg in a motorcycle accident, so we can't really, you know, have him do the really hard stuff, which is like carrying 100 kilos of cherries on the back. I'm making more compost, of course, as we speak. It's already made, but it's cooling down. I made it in August, so I made lots of compost. So we're going to put that on the field around the trees and then more mulch on top. That's how it's done. And then I got these photos last week. These are all the workers at Tamana, because the harvest is done now, so they don't really have anything to do. So they're asking me, oh, can we do something? Can we do something? But we made a plan when I was there in August to plant more, you know, shade. So they're planting bananas. You know, they don't grow that fast, but we're just covering the whole farm with bananas. We just want them, and we're actually putting on chicken manure to get them to grow fast, because we need to have some shade covered. And Gilberto says, oh, be careful with banana, they take a lot of water. Yes, but what's even worse is the drought. So we need to cover the soil with some shade. And then also they started planting more shade trees. We had a fundraiser last year when we had our 10-year anniversary of our store, and we managed to get around $6,000, and part of that money went to Gilberto to plant shade trees, and then we took part of it to plant at Tamana and on my farm. So we're actually buying around 1,500 shade trees to plant on both farms altogether. And as I said, I'm compromising a little bit, not only using compost, so I'm actually buying some chicken manure that is mixed with rice husk. We have to make sure the rice husk is not sprayed with pesticides. So it's kind of difficult to find, but we found the source where we can get a little bit. And we just put this on the shade trees and the banana trees to get them to grow fast. And then I'm hoping that Diego will come home soon. He went to Australia to visit his girlfriend, and then they got engaged. And they wanted to move there, and we'll see what happens. But if he comes back to Colombia, which I think is the plan now in December, I'll probably have to hire him, you know, maybe 20% or 30%, so he can come down and make compost for me. Because I don't have enough time to go to Colombia. I stay there already 4 times a year and up to 3 weeks at a time, so it's a lot of time that I'm not home and working. A little overtime, but I have a surprise. This is a question that I always get, because you know, baristas don't care about organic stuff. They just want to taste coffee. When can we taste the coffee? Let's see. Today is a beautiful day for me because I am going to roast the first harvest from Finca el Suelo. Dark. 7 grams of coffee, so that means I can actually use 10 grams of water, maybe a little thick. Grinding. That's it. Yeah, really good. Great. Right. 10 grams of water, maybe 12. I'm nervous.
ready. Smells like coffee. Tastes like coffee too. Actually not too bad. A little fruity. A little bit, not much. Very sweet. Maybe 84 points. Yeah, not the best coffee I've had so far, but certainly the most emotional. Salud. Så du smaker så er det en dråpe der.
Maybe next time I'll have a couple of sips for you guys to taste as well. But thank you so much, and if you want to follow the project, Finca el Suelo is where I post when I'm there. And also, if you go to the website, there's a couple of videos that have like lectures like these. I know they can be boring, but if you're interested in soil biology and stuff, you can check it out. Now, the moment we have all been waiting for, beer.